Hello of all those who collect grass out there for a living. What are we going to do today? It's time to play what?
It's time to play Aladdin on the Super Nintendo Entertainment System.
Really?
Yeah.
And then what happens after we've played Aladdin?
Well, then we play Populous.
No, we don't.
And then we play Power Mongor on the DOS box.
Ah.
Yep.
Now that sounds like fun. So why aren't we playing Populous on the DOS box?
Because it's too damn hard.
Okay, so we're going to play, as Monkey Boy says, Aladdin on the SNES, and the first thing you do is you always check to see that options cursor, hide cursor, because I played the game all the way through, and guess what? You saw the mouse all the way through the whole game, and that was about as exciting as watching mud grow. Mud grow? Let's play the European version, just for a giggle. Why? I don't know. So then you'd have to draw a box and go load Europe. But it'll be the same game. No, it is the same game. Okay, so there's no difference. One's in TSC and one's PAL, that's all. Oh, okay. The excitement. Password. Password is F2. Oh, never done that before. This is the first time for everything. Never been able to not jump up on a barrel before either. Oh, yep. Oh, I don't know how many times. 1, 2. Turn the sound down a bit. Yeah? Is that right? Oh, fruit. 1, 2, up. Oh, 1, 2, up. Oh, so much harder with a keyboard. Yeah. 1, 2. Oh. Oh! What if you just hold up? Either way, you'll never get it. Got it! Right, save state. I want to get that green gem. Got it. Save state. Backwards kick. Now what did I do that for? Well, why don't you try and jump from there? Oh, okay. Never done that before. Oh, well done. First time you've missed all those gems. That's the first time for everything. Jump on his head. What's up? Oh, that means I gotta go up there again. You what? Just swing from there. Oh man, I'm getting all confused. Oh crap. Okay, now, save state. E. Oh no, I nearly missed again. Missed the ledge either way. Got it. Now isn't there a thing up there? Yep. And you get confused with all these buttons. Level 1 done. Two up would be fine. Star. Not coin again. Oh, I hope coins do something. Right. Tune in next episode when we're going to play Mongor on the DOS box. What's that got to do with Populous? CDEA, CD Populous. I'm playing Mongor. You can't make me play Populous yet, till I figured it out. Right, we did some further research last night, and we can't skip the intro. But that's okay. Right, start new conquest. Ugh. Now the first thing you do is click on this is a special edition. The password is pre-made. So what I figured out last night, you simply click on the disk, click on file, and you can save the game. As simple as that. Wow. Right, so let's go find a village. Now, further research is one sword attacks, right? Waiting for attacks. Where's the music? Maybe there isn't any. I'll add my own. Okay, fine. Add your own music then. So where the hell do they go? So then you just leave the village and let the population. So there's 12 men who are discontent. So what you do is you and you click on the Go Make Me Men button. So your army is added to three who are discontent. Huh? People none, men 3 who are discontent. Okay, well, then you do 3 and then you click on the apple and you get them to make apples. So how do you click on your army? What if you click on the general? No? Still don't know how to play it properly, but who cares? So what if I click on the man? What's that do? Food 16. That makes it snow, does it? I don't. That means they follow their general. Oh, okay. Well, I've won the game, so it doesn't matter. Just quit. After a glorious victory, you must go on to conquer the whole world. No kidding. So, disk, file, swap hands maybe? Save. Right, now, I attacked the wrong village yesterday. We attacked the little one first. Attack it with a 1. And what that 1 does means that you attack the village and you win it, but they can still regrow their population and still gather food. And then you go back and you pinch their men, turn them into soldiers and pinch their food. This is called pinch. This isn't Power Mongor, this is pinch. Today we're going to play pinch. It's time to play pinch on the DOS. So where are my soldiers? Are they coming yet? So the hey means you've won it. So click on the question mark. Voned of Hamlet of Wolfria is very sickly and lives in a fish hunt. Oh, so it's just some guy. What did that box do? Well, make me food? I don't know. So what if you won? I don't know what that does. Well, let's go find another village. What's out here? That's a big one. I think... Oh, okay, yeah, we should start by attacking little villages. Oh. This is Finfar. It doesn't say how many people. What's up? Oh, that is me. Okay, so now what? It's my town. So 3 it for people. I think the red bar went up. I still don't know what I'm doing, but who cares? I'd rather play a game and not know what I'm doing than play it properly and find out it's really boring. Like Populous! Shut up. I'm learning a bit more about Populous, but not enough to film it just yet. Hey, they're winning. Well, let's go attack another village then.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, he's yeah about it, so he must be happy. Oh, you've got to to the food. Oh, yeah, I'm learning. Okay, I'm just learning. I'll go back to the other village after this. Okay, so what you got to do is to, and then click on apple, so that they make you food. Otherwise you're running low on food, you see. Oh, now look at that, it doubled the food. Tripled it even. So you let that city grow, and you come back later, so we can to the food for this town.
Yeah.
Come back later, and anybody that's been born since I conquered it will turn into an army soldier. Is that the gist of the game? I don't know. Perhaps you've gone over your... I've gone over the Cam Studio limit. Bye. Right, so I went over the limit on that one, so anyway, we'll finish this level off.
Yeah.
You can steal all the food. You can steal all the people. Who doesn't like that? You. Anyway, we've won this game, so game, file, save, file, game, retire. After a glorious victory, you must go on and conquer the world. Continue conquest. And we're on to the third level. So, save it.
Yeah.
Attack that village right next to you. How's that sound?
Ow, 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 ow.
So does he like... No, he doesn't like that. He doesn't like growing an army. So if you save it, can you come back and start from the exact same spot? We'll find out. Oh, well, okay, that's enough for now. After I've rendered this, we're going to come back and we're going to play Power Mongor on the Sega Master System and try and figure out what on earth all the controls on the right hand side are for, and also how you play Populous and Power Mongor with a controller. That's going to be bizarre. Like, I've tried playing Command and Conquer on the Nintendo 64 with a controller. That's bizarre. But anyway, bye. Right, drawing a box, options, cursor, hide cursor. Nothing happened. Isn't that exciting? File, load, Mega Drive. Doesn't have Mega Drive, it's got Genesis 32X. Ooh. Well, before we play, was it Zombie Googles on CD32X CD, we'll have Fusion crashing, thank you. I want Fusion to crash, if that's okay with you. You got any games in it? Aladdin. Hawkeye. Now we're going to set up, so we've got the keys set up on the SNES emulator perfectly, and they don't change. In Agrabah something happens. Agrabah market. So, D is sword. So what's jump? Z. Oh, what happened there? Oh, I didn't mean to push escape. What the hell have I done? Uh-oh. You tried to go into full screen mode or something. Uh-huh. Set config now. Controllers. Keyboard. So up, down, left, right. A would be D. B is A. C, we'll make it C for now. Start. X. Y. Z. Mode is B. Let's try that. C is jump. Up. Use up. What if we make S up? Down, left, right. Then D for A. B button is A. C will now be the up button. Controllers start. X, Y, Z, and B is mode again. Let's try that. So to jump, it's just the up key, and that's how it's going to stay. Oh no, you've got to switch those around. That's alright, once you've sorted this out. Up is S, down, left, right. A will make AA. B is D. C is C. Start is control. X is X. Y is V. Z is Z. And mode is B. What's happened? Bloody hell, we're going to spend one video just defining the keys. Up is S. Down, left, right. A. D is B. Up is C. Control. X. Y. Z. B for mode. Right, we leave it at that. Okay, now I'm happy. Oh crap. S is jump. Can you handle that? Ah! Ah! Ah, well, that's it for Aladdin. I think we've got the keys sorted. Now we've got the keys sorted, we're actually going to play Power Mongor on the Sega Master System. Righty-ho. And how are we going to do that? We're going to do that by drawing a box. Nearly ready for my cup of tea time coffee. What? My dinner coffee? Yeah. Genesis. Shouldn't you be playing Sonic? No, I don't want to. I want to play Power Mongor. You can't make me do whatever I want to do. Okay. Hard reset. Let's have some music. Press start. So I know what that is now. Control. What is my name? How about AU0? Start new conquest. Please wait, generating world data. Oh, that's loud. Now how, I hope you've hidden the mouse. We'll put it up there just in case I haven't. Oh man, this is so confusing. I can't get out of there. Okay.
Yeah.
There's your 1, 2, 3 swords. Can I quit now? What's happening? There's a sword there. I have no idea what to do. Well, that was Power Mongor on the Sega Genesis. Next to impossible to play compared to the DOS version or the Amiga version. Let's go see if it ever came out on the Super Nintendo. Back in a sec. Well, I'm back and it's D for Apples time. Load Aladdin. So D for apples, A for jump. Load. We've got Final Fantasy 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And look, there's Power Mongor for SNES. And I'm going to play it as long as possible. I wonder if we can move this window down to about there. I don't think they would have sold well. Oh, the same. How the hell do you use a mouse on a frickin' SNES? 99. Hello? Is it doing something? Is it thinking? Is it paused? Well, the mouse is cracked out. Hello? Try again. Tintin? No, I'm not ready to play Tintin yet. Thanks though. We're playing Power Mongor. And it crashes. Wow, that's incredible. This is just absolutely the most amazing game I've ever played in my life. Is it crashed or is it loading or is it... Did she crash it? Let's try another emulator. See if there's another emulator. Bye. Okay, block hazards, drawing a box. I've downloaded a 64-bit emulator. See what that does. SNES ROMs. I've stuck them under games. Maybe that's... could be part of the problem, I don't know. It seems to be working. Now you'll have to set up the keys. Input. Up, left and right. B is... Oh, you can't change it. What the hell? Looks like you can't change the frickin'... Oh well, anyway, who cares? So start would be space. Well, it's got graphics. Hey, this is the guy from Mongor. Can't do anything. Space or enter. Doesn't do anything. C or V is the main buttons now. Not using the right keyboard. I'm not using the right keyboard. Oh dear, well we got to see the introduction. That's just wow. C and V is it? Oh, the mouse is working. All right. You'll never live that one down. Please wait generating map data. Oh dear. Oh, this is just as bad. Well, there's your one sword. No, I don't want to play the game, I just want to figure out how you would use the keys. I don't want to retire? Help! Oh no! Don't tell me you have to push... Oh, frick. V! Yay, I got something to happen. Oh, not again! It was wanting me to retire. There's your apple. So how do you move around the map? You can change between the map. D changes between the map and the real world. And you can't scroll around or go anywhere. And Pine Forest keeps popping up for no reason. Oh, something happened. Ah. X selects the different thingies. I've lost the mouse. Oh, there we go. I can move around the land. Where's a village to attack? Why is right down? Crap. Down is left. I've probably rotated the map. Well, that's enough of that. That was Mongor on the Super Nintendo Entertainment System. Cracker of a game. Bye.